I heard about Maths Today when I was on a Youth Sport Trust learning course, and it was a active maths course. The person showed us the resources, and I was really impressed. I wanted to utilise them in my school, so I had a free trial, and then I used them. I continued with that and used it in my school. There was two challenges that Maths Today helped me to tackle. First one being a class teacher, trying to make my class a little bit more active. I used Maths Today, which has brilliant maths resources, to make my maths lessons more engaging, more active, to inspire my children to love maths and being active. My second one as a PE leader, and now responsible making sure activity in the school there's 30 minutes of physical activity a day. I'm using that as a resource to help teachers, other class teachers, to implement it in their own maths lessons. The main benefits of using Maths Today for me was, first of all, in my own classroom, it was making lessons more engaging in maths. It was making them active, taking them outside and utilising the resources that we had in the school. It also made it very easy for me, and a stressful job being a classroom teacher that it is. It's a quick fix resource for me to make my lessons active, because it's all there made for you. And the benefits I'm seeing is my children are more engaged in their lessons, and across the school as a PE leader, I'm seeing it being used across the whole school, and children across the school being more engaged in maths and being more physically active, which is what I really want in my school. The effect I've seen on other teachers using Maths Today is that it's making their lessons more active. Feedback from teachers are saying it's very easy to use, it's user-friendly. All they need to do is look at the national curriculum objective that they're teaching and then find an active session which links into that. And they can use it, they can edit it, the maths lesson or maths starter, and that's been really beneficial. Teachers are now taking ownership over making their lessons active because of this resource. It gives them a platform to allow them not just only use the resource, but actually utilise it more by adapting it for their own individual class. The impact that I hope Maths Today will have on my own class, the children in my class, is that they will be more engaged to participate in maths lesson. They are now looking at it, they're not realising they're being active and then they're learning maths. There's children who find maths very difficult being sat down in a classroom, but because it's so active, they're so infused to take part in the maths lesson, and they're being inspired. It's been really helping us at the moment with learning multiplication. We're using a lot of the resources, especially with the strategy next year being year 4 going to be having tests. We're using Maths Today frequently to help improve their multiplication in the classroom.